Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, where we explore ideas that can inspire, uplift, and make everyday life a little better. Today, I want to talk about something that connects us all: the pursuit of happiness and balance in our busy lives. Happiness doesn't have to be a distant goal or something we feel only on special occasions. It can be found in the little choices we make every day. One of the easiest ways to feel more content is to focus on the present moment. Often, we're caught up in worrying about the future or overthinking the past, but taking a deep breath and grounding yourself in what's happening now can make a big difference. Another thing that's often overlooked is the power of meaningful connections. Whether it's calling a friend, spending time with family, or simply sharing a smile with someone, these small interactions remind us that we're not alone. Human connection is one of the most fulfilling aspects of life, and nurturing it can bring us so much joy. It's also important to remember that self-care isn't selfish. Taking time to rest, do something you enjoy, or even just sit in silence can recharge your energy and help you show up better for others. Life is busy, but when you take care of yourself, you're better equipped to handle the challenges that come your way. Finally, don't underestimate the value of gratitude. By focusing on what you have instead of what's missing, you can shift your perspective and feel more fulfilled. Even on tough days, finding one small thing to appreciate can be a powerful tool for staying positive. Happiness is a journey, not a destination, and every step counts. Thank you for spending a few moments here with me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little positivity in their life. See you next time.